Hey guys, Rico with Trailer Valet here. Today I want to show you our two JX center mount jacks. This is our 2K version. This is our 5K version already attached to the trailer. Both jacks come with a hand crank, a foot plate, and our drill adapter, so you can use your 18 to 24 volt drill that you already have in your garage. Let me show you how it works. This is our JX 5-C. This is our center mount drill jack. This can handle up to a 5,000 pound load. The gear ratio is at a 3-to-4 ratio, so you have an extra speed. You're able to use your hand crank, you're able to use a drill. 18 to 24 is the preferred drill voltage that you would want to use. In addition to our center mount jacks, we got two versions of the side mount. We got our JX 2-S here. This has a spring-loaded pull pin, so you can easily go from stowed position to ready to use position pretty quick. You got a 3-to-4 gear ratio in the JX 2-S, so you can drill very easily. You can also hand crank super easy. And finally, here's our JX 5-S. This is our 5K side-mounted JX jack. Instead of a pull pin with a spring load, we have a bracket with a pipe mount setup. Right here, I'm just demonstrating it with the marine wheel already attached. And this is how you would actually move it from a stowed position to an operational position. You can also remove it without having to take your bracket off, whereas the JX2 would have to be a full removal of your bracket. And that's the JX series, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, give us a call, and we'll gladly answer anything that you have.